Okay.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Tyequiece here, Beauty Pioneer. And on my channel, you can find all things beauty. You can find natural hair videos, tutorials, and a little bit of motivation every now and then because I love to motivate, you to be the best self you can be. In this video, I wanted to share with you something that came across my For You page. And when it came across several things come across my For You page, but it's certain things that I will want to talk about that really like prompt me, pull me, makes me very either sad, angry, either one of those things. Sometimes, there's things that make me happy, but for the most part, in this video, I would like to share some light on this young lady lost her life. Beautiful black queen lost her life because she was overworked. And I just wanted to share some light on that, and some people may be like, why is it your business? Why do you care? Because I just want to raise awareness of hard work and what's going on in America, how hard one has to work to get what they need and still not be able to get by. And with that being said, somebody has to say something, because I don't believe that I have this platform just to talk about what I'm good at doing, makeup, but I also believe that I'm supposed to use this platform to talk about things that are very important to mankind, whomever you may be, whatever ethnicity you may be, shape, form, color, whatever variety of person, human being that you are. I feel that, I have the right, being who I am, to say something about something that bothers me. Just the fact that someone lost their life because they were trying to survive, but even apart from that, I believe she was doing what she loved to do, cook, and it was just really sad. And I'm just gonna put some clips in so you can see what exactly I am contesting about. Protesting about, whatever, long as because I just feel we're all put here to do something. We all have a purpose, and no one should be treated differently. I believe that we the people, black African Americans, are smart. I also believe white Americans can also help, us even more because they're privileged. But at the end of the day, I just want to say that it's a lot going on in the world. It's a lot of hurt people in the world. It's a lot of things that is happening that's causing people that is in America to be afraid, and I want to raise awareness to, people who work hard and, constantly, depend on work to feed their family. I want to talk to you. Don't forget about yourself, because your well-being is more important. And I know that it's easily said than done. I know it's easy to say it out of a person's mouth, but I just want to raise awareness to this matter, and I want to let her family know that I know you're okay, and I know that God is taking care of you and guiding you on this journey. And I hope that behind this matter of your loss, something get done, because a change needs to come. Whether that is, us helping each other, sticking together, or whether that's having love in your heart to help someone that is in need. Most of all, being a listening ear, and if you're able, you can help. The young lady was from Nashville, Tennessee. Beautiful young lady, and I just wanted to share some light. I will be putting some here. Beautiful young lady. Her name was Laquita Cole. So yeah, what drew me to the story? I'm black, and I know how hard it is when you have your own business. And she said in a video, which I'll put in the clip here, she said she don't like working for anyone because she don't like taking orders.
19 people. Oh, what's happening with y'all, man? It's Lotus Music, Fresh Prince of the Ville, Fresh Prince of the World, and I'm here with
Tyequiece, QC, whichever one you want to call me.
Okay. I see we at a restaurant right now, man. What do you do for a living?
I own this restaurant. It's QC Kitchen, 615 downtown, 319 Peabody Street.
Okay. So what made you want to become a serial entrepreneur / restaurant owner?
I've always cooked. I've always liked to cook. Don't like taking orders from people, so it was only right for me to have my own business.
Say less. So what does the saying, put the work in, mean to you?
Put that work in, and you see. QC Kitchen number 2 coming soon.
Hello, yeah, number 2. Hey, so why don't you give the people your social media handle so they can come get them a plate from QC Kitchen?
It's not because she doesn't like taking orders. It wasn't because she didn't like taking orders. It's because she couldn't handle being mistreated. It's because she couldn't handle being misused. I even seen where it came where someone said that you working hard every day for someone else, clocking in on someone else's clock, and you still don't make enough money to survive. Boy, is that true. Man, if that's not true, that is true. That's a very true statement, and I am a living testimony of that statement. Waking up every day trying to figure things out, trying to make sure I can make ends meet. And still by doing the right thing. But when that young lady lost her life, I said somebody has to say something. I didn't see any videos. I wasn't looking for any videos. I wanted to use my platform, use the person that I am, use my peace that I have to speak on this, because it's sad when people are struggling. But it didn't look like she was having a hard time if you look at the social media. But I'm pretty sure she had downtime, like everybody else have downtime. She worked 7 days a week. She didn't stop. Working all the time could really lead you into an early grave. Stressing because if you're working all the time and you're constantly clocking in on someone else's clock, then you still have your own things that are on your mind, and you're not one of those people who could just drop big things at the door. So yeah, just want to bring awareness to that. And with that being said, I just, it's just so tragic for me to see my fellow woman go through pain in silence. She died in her sleep. So also, I would like to say to my president, oh, how I love you so much. And I know that you are a very smart man. And I know that you're going to see my video. I know you're going to see it. Because you love honest people. You, Donald Trump, you are a man that tries to do the right thing every time. You try to do the right thing. It's not your fault that things don't turn out right. It happens. You are human, and I know that, you don't mean any harm. You don't mean any harm. I know that you love America, and America loves you as well. But have mercy. Have mercy on my brother, on my sisters. I'm not going to say that you don't like black people. I'm not going to say that you don't like Mexican people, because I know that's not true. I know that's not true. You believe in God, so you don't hate. And I can see, Donald, how you are a giver. You don't Trump, you create work for others. So I know you don't hate anybody. But I ask that if you can find it in your heart to stop people from being, especially Mexicans, in California, if you can, all over the world people are afraid. That's not from this country. And no one wants to come out and do things, live their life, because they're living in fear. A lot of people are living in fear. Even the elderly is living in fear. And I know that's not something that you want. I know that is something that you don't want to happen because that's not you. That's not who you are. You like honest people. You expect people to be their honest self. You, Donald Trump, you love honesty. You know, I ask that you have mercy on us. Black people, Mexican people work hard, you know, and we're underpaid. Some of us create businesses not because of a dream, because guaranteed that it worked. The reason why I started my company is because I wanted to help those who struggled with their skin. Some people open up businesses just to open them up, and some open them up for a solution. I would like to say that I'm one of the ones that has a solution. But Donald, I don't want to lose my life not being able to survive in a country where I was born and raised. I don't want to live my life feeling like I'm at war with myself, trying to put food in my mouth. I don't want to live my life. I love for people to be, I love for my fellow man and woman to be rich. But I too want to be rich. I too want to have it. And I don't mind working for it. Because I was taught that whenever you work for anything, whenever you believe in anything, then you can be successful. And I'm asking that you have mercy on those people in LA. Kids are going to sleep not knowing if they're ever going to see their parents again. You can do it because God trusts you. I trust you. I don't love you just because you're the president. I love you because you believe in people and you are for right. And I can see that with my own eyes that you are for right. And I know that at the end of when all this is said and done, everybody gonna be happy that you were the president of the United States of America. But a lot of immigration people suffer and they're afraid to even come out. Why am I thinking about them? It's because I know they struggle. Because I'm a black woman in America that try her best every day. And I know, Donald Trump, that you are for working Americans. You are for people who work, get up every day, put their 2 legs in their pants and their shoes on their feet. I know that you are for people who work hard. Thank you for listening to me. I hope this video helped anyone. More videos like this to come. My name's Tyequiece. I'm a pro makeup artist. And I hope to see you soon. More videos like this will be coming. Bye.